Hey guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video is a little look at the most basic capsule wardrobe that you could possibly start from. So I've picked 12 pieces and it's kind of like a little 10 by 10, but I decided to pick 12 pieces just to have a bit more inclusivity in styles, and I think it's something that you could possibly live with for a more extended period of time. I think I calculated from these 12 pieces that all mix and match I think 77 different outfit combinations, so that's pretty good going. So I will show you some of those at the end of the video, but for now I just want to talk you through each of the pieces. Before I forget, if you do enjoy my capsule wardrobe videos or any of my content, please do consider subscribing if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more capsule wardrobe content, and comment below any other kind of content requests that you have that maybe I've made previously and you'd like to see more of, or something that I haven't made yet and you would really like to see my take on it. So these 12 pieces consist of 4 tops, 3 bottoms, 1 dress, 2 outerwear and 2 pairs of shoes, so 12 in total. So there's only about 4 colours in this capsule wardrobe. I have black, grey, this kind of beigey cream colour and white. So it's really simple, and I do plan to do a follow-up of this of how you can inject a little bit more life into your capsule wardrobe and not just always stick to such plain basic pieces, because I know that's not everybody's style, but it is for some people, so I thought I'd start with this first and then I can build from there. So the first piece I have is just a basic t-shirt. I'm sure everyone has one of these in their wardrobe. I picked a black crew neck because I like the look of a crew neck t-shirt, and this is just a really basic one. It's kind of a unisex fit in a way that it's quite boxy and it's not fitted, and I quite like the look of that tucked into a pair of jeans or trousers or a skirt, basically anything that's included in this rail. It's just a real basic piece, and I've included a t-shirt because I'm kind of getting ready for the slightly warmer weather, but if I was to do this for a winter wardrobe, I'd probably leave out the t-shirt and add in an extra sweater. For a little bit of a more warm option, I've included a long sleeve grey polo neck. This is a piece that I wear all year round, and I really love it, and it's great for layering underneath things as well as on its own. I have 2 pieces of knitwear. First is my beige, quite thin knit cashmere jumper, really nice. I adore the colour of this. And then I have a slightly chunkier knit with a really nice thick ribbed crew neck again. This is more oversized, so it can be worn kind of layered over more things again. So that's in a grey. So it's just, they're 2 kind of bright colours, but they're still really warm pieces. So great for spring, but again are going to keep you cozy. I just included 1 pair of jeans, and I decided to pick a white pair instead of just your classic blue or black denim, because again, a little bit brighter, and I think these, I think this will kind of brighten it all up a bit. If I was to pair all these black pieces with a dark blue denim, not quite as bright, and I think a monochrome look is really nice as well. So this will pair really nicely with black pieces, but equally as nice with my beige jumper, just for a little bit more of a tonal look, which I think looks really classy. I've included a pair of faux leather trousers. These are a straight leg fit, so still ideal for this time of year. You're not really going to overheat in them too much. They're just a really nice elevated trouser, like an elevated alternative to denim. They fit very similar to a lot of my straight leg jeans, and I literally can just kind of swap out the jeans for these trousers. It updates my look a little bit, and it goes with everything the same way. It pairs with t-shirts and sweaters, and I just love these with a cashmere jumper. It's just like my go-to right now. I have 1 skirt, and I don't wear skirts that much, but last year I did get into wearing skirts quite a bit. Especially this skirt kind of helped me out with that, so I actually made this one myself. It's just a really simple, slightly A-line, but it's a bias cut midi skirt. So because it's bias cut, it just drapes really nicely on the body. It doesn't look A-line as much when it's on. It just has a little bit of a flare at the end, and I just adore how this feels on. The elasticated waist makes it super comfortable, and just, I can imagine this with the black t-shirt with some trainers for kind of like a summer vibe, or maybe a white t-shirt to brighten it up. Just real kind of chill and casual, even though it is like a silky skirt. I do have one piece in here that is a little bit more dressed up. This is my silk bias cut. I guess it's kind of somewhere in between midi and maxi. It's probably more maxi. It's kind of like an ankle grazer length. This is such an occasion piece, but I do like to try and get as much wear out of it day to day as possible. So in the spring, but maybe a little bit more in the summer, I like to wear it with a t-shirt and some boots. But let's see how we can style it up in this wardrobe as well, because I haven't created a boot, but not like a flat day boot. So we'll see how that pairs with the flats. And finally, two outerwear pieces. The first is a leather jacket. This one is vintage, really love it. It's a really nice soft buttery leather. Not much more I can say about this really. If I am kind of limiting my options a little bit with picking a leather jacket, because I wouldn't necessarily wear this with the leather trousers. I'm not too keen on the whole leather on leather look. But I could swap this out for a blazer, like a black blazer instead, which would give me more options. But I'm okay with that. I think we've still got quite a few options in this wardrobe. And finally, my beloved trench coat, which I've been so excited to get back into this spring. I've been living in a wool coat all winter, and this, it's just so nice to wear something in this shade. It just kind of brightens up everything, brightens up my face, brightens up every outfit. I'm really excited to wear it, and I think this is the kind of coat that once you throw it on, you just look so chic, and it pairs so well with everything. This with a cashmere jumper, a pair of jeans, a pair of flats, it would just be such an elevated look, and just something that would be so perfect for work, so perfect for brunch. I mean, you could even wear it on a date if you wear a nice heeled boot with it. I just think it has endless options. So I'm very excited to style these up for you guys and see how many outfits we can get. And the last two pieces are footwear. So I have my black ankle boots. So I picked up a bit more of a heel, so this can be kind of like a dressy option, but the heel is still quite, see, show it here so you can see them. The heel is still quite low. I think it's maybe like a 2.5 inch heel. So this is something that I could comfortably wear during the day, which is the reason I bought them in the first place. And they're a really nice little fit around the ankle, so they fit really snug underneath jeans and trousers, which again will be perfect. And then my flats, again, these are a lovely soft leather, really nice, so comfortable. They just kind of fit like a glove, I guess. It's like an extra layer of skin. But yeah, really nice, really good color. They pair really nicely with most colors, and it just, I don't know, it's a pair of shoes that I added to my wardrobe last year, which flats were never really my thing. I feel like they were a little bit too dainty and girly for me, but these ones work just well because they don't stand out too much, but they just add something extra to a look, and they really elongate the leg as well when you, I guess, are a similar skin color to the shoes. So the idea behind this basic capsule wardrobe is that every single piece should pair together, so all the colors go together, all the pieces and the silhouettes of them pair together really nicely, so it'll just create as much versatility as possible. The less pieces you have, the more you will want them to work for you, I guess. You want to make your pieces do the work instead of you having to do the work and put so much effort into trying to see what works. So basically I should be able to pick one dress, one top, one pair of shoes. So you could easily wear this t-shirt under this and pair it with these flats. There's an outfit. And then I could throw my leather jacket on with that. Likewise, I pick a pair of trousers, I pick a jumper, I pick a boot, and I pick a coat. And I mean, that's a full look right there, if you can even see all the pieces. But this is going to pair really well together, and that took no effort at all. If everything in your wardrobe has a bit more of a cohesive feel to it, and they do complement each other quite well, that's literally what you're going to have to do in the morning, is just be like bottoms, jumper, shoes, coat. That is like the ideal, that's the ideal point we want to get you to with your wardrobe. Okay, so I've just thrown on the jeans and the black t-shirt. Just a super simple outfit, and I'm just going to show you 4 different ways that I can wear these two pieces. So the first option is with the nude flats and the leather jacket. Just a really simple look. It's kind of, I guess the colours balance each other out, the black t-shirt and the black jacket. Really simple. I mean, it's kind of a grab it and go kind of look, which I'm hoping most of these outfits will be. So you've got the same shoes but a different jacket. It just kind of gives it a bit more of a, I don't know, more chic look. I guess the leather jacket was a little bit cooler, more relaxed. This one could look almost dressier, so again it could be a bit more work appropriate. But yeah, I adore this look, and again I'm going to say it many times, I adore this jacket. I swapped out the shoes for the boot, which again dresses up the look even more, and it also ties in the black in the t-shirt with the black in the boot to kind of balance each other out that little bit. Again, I really love this outfit. To jazz it up a little bit, I would probably add in like a coloured bag or a printed bag or something, leopard print or red, something that's kind of in my preferred colour scheme. But like I said, I'll touch on that in a later video. But yeah, I just adore this look, and it's just really dressy, and I don't know, I feel like this outfit could just work for so many different occasions. Next up we have the black boots, the black leather jacket, and I love this monochromatic look with the white jeans and all the rest of it in black. I think this would be a really cool like night out outfit, summer night, because the white jeans brighten up a little bit. Yeah, I'm like feel super comfy and cool in this outfit, and I'm not very cool at all, so that's good going for this outfit combination. But yeah, really love it. I really love this polo neck with the trousers. I think a polo neck can look quite smart, and it's a little bit conservative sometimes because it's quite modest, it's quite covered up. But the leather just kind of offsets that really nicely. And then I think the little nude pump just dresses it down a bit as well. But while still keeping it quite chic, which is nice. Like I said, I only have one coat option for this because I don't want to pair the leather jacket with it. So let me grab my trench coat. I can't even see myself in the screen, but just looking down at my outfit, I adore it. The only thing I would probably add is a belt, because these do slide down a little bit, but I'm just not going to bother with accessories for today. Yeah, really love this outfit. I really love this coat with these shoes. I think the kind of nude tones, beigey nude tones play off each other really nicely. And this is definitely an outfit that I want to wear, like, if I wasn't working from home right now, I would wear it this week. I have a slightly more dressed up option, then I have the black boot, which just kind of seamlessly goes with these trousers. I feel like it just ends up looking like one whole leather leg. But yeah, I quite like this look. And again, it's nice because then it just only has the three colours, the grey, the black and the beige, and it just creates a bit more of a cohesive look, which is really nice. For the first dress outfit, I've just paired the polo neck underneath that I had on already, the leather jacket and the nude flats. This isn't an outfit I've worn before. I think it works quite well, but may not be my exact style. I'll probably put a different colour polo neck underneath, like a black or a cream, and then I think it would level up the outfit a little bit more. But this is the 12 pieces we're working with, so this is what we've got. I think it's quite cool. It's quite a casual outfit with the flats, but I think the biker jacket or the leather jacket can dress it up a little bit more. I think the boots would probably work best with this, and maybe the trench coat with the flats, so let's see. So I think this just kind of complements the kind of lighter tone so much better. Yeah, I can see myself wearing this for sure. But like I said, maybe a slightly different colour polo neck, like the cream one or something. I think that would be really nice. As you can see, the contrasting colour just works a little bit better underneath. Just stands out a bit more. I think a black or a white / cream would just look really nice under this. And again, this is quite a cutesy little outfit. May not be 100% my style, but it is something that I could wear more in the summer, I think. This would be more my style with the boots, and I think this is something I'll definitely wear out of in the summer, maybe like late spring / summer, just as kind of like a casual, it's a silk dress, but as a kind of like evening out look, something really comfortable, really easy to wear. If I wanted to dress it up just that little bit more for like a bit more of a night out, I think this jacket kind of finishes off the look really nicely. Another way I love to style this dress is just kind of wearing it as a skirt under a really chunky jumper. I love the mix of silk with kind of a wool jumper, or even a cashmere. I've worn this with it as well. I just think it looks really nice, and it just adds a different element to the outfit. And it just dresses down the like slinky silk dress a little bit more, and you can just see it as a little slip skirt. I think this is a great way to style a bit more dressy dresses. Just kind of cover up the top half with the jumper, and yeah, really easy to wear. Really love this. Now this is a look I would wear with the flats. This just feels like a really kind of cute and cozy outfit. Really nice day to day, I think. Just a really nice, like warm summer's day where you can get away with a nice slit up the leg. and a really nice lightweight skirt. Absolutely adore this look. And why not finish it off with a trench coat as well? So yeah, I'm really loving this little capsule wardrobe. I think all the looks are kind of really working well together. And the last two pieces that I haven't styled up yet are the little black slip dress and the cream beige cashmere jumper. Another look that I would just adore wearing, really comfortable. Like I said, elasticated waistline, it's bias cut, so it's kind of got a nice bit of give in it. And it's just something really simple, and it's just, again, one of those like evening summer looks that I just, can you tell I'm excited to get outside the house. Yeah, love it with the flats. Let's get the trench coat. We have the trench coat with the flats, which I love. Really like this outfit, but I'm actually thinking the trench coat and the boots will look even nicer. So again, the heeled boot just dresses it up that little bit more. Again, a really great work appropriate outfit. I know you're not going to wear the trench coat all day at work, but I just think it looks really smart, and I really like this. And I think this is also one of those outfits that's quite age inclusive. Like, you don't have to be a certain age to wear this, and I don't think you could be too old to wear this either. It's just they're just very simple pieces: a midi skirt, a jumper, a trench coat, and a boot. I think you can kind of work your own style into it as well. And if you're looking for something a little bit cooler, you can throw on a leather jacket. Yeah, I really like this look too. I love the all black with the boots, the skirt and the jacket, and then the little pop of beige. Just brightens it up a little bit. We all know we're a little bit partial to an all black outfit. I certainly am. So the different sweater just brightens it up really nicely. And I think that's everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed that kind of video and got a little bit of inspiration out of it, and just a few ideas and tips and tricks I was going to say, but just a few ideas that you can implement in your own wardrobe when you kind of look at the more basic pieces. Just to kind of consider, do they all go together? If you're going to add something new into your wardrobe, consider whether it's going to be as easy to style with everything like we just did, like we just grab pieces and throw them together. Is it going to be that versatile? Do you really want to add something into your wardrobe that you're going to have to consider so much more and just question whether it really fits in with your everyday life, I guess. I am sorry we had a little bit of background noise today, and I'm really sorry that my neighbour's dog, he was barking. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, because that really makes a difference. It's great to get your feedback on what you're enjoying, and if you have any thoughts on it, I would love to hear in the comments. Until next time guys, see you later.